Alright, this is the last map, CBN Angry versus Second Nature. We win 4-1. Map totals, we win 2, they win 3. This is their last map, and they lost. I'm going to go ahead and play it. Alright, just to show everyone's in the game, we have Solidified, CJ, K-Dub, Bobby Fisher, Blushing, EJDL, Extortion, and myself. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward.
Switching sides, search and destroy. Defend the objective. Switching sides. Destroyed. We have the bomb. Time's almost up. We lost, but it's not half-time. Search, defend the objective. The bomb has been planted. Good job. Get ready for the next switching sides. Search and destroy.
Alright, go ahead and play this last round real time. Extortion gets that first kill on K-Dub. Solidify. Extortion gets Blushing. One more left.
The bomb has been planted. Cover me, I'm reloading!
Game.
Didn't even break a sweat. Nice work.
CJ leads game. This is Scoreboard. Thank you for watching.